The importance of budgeting software for your own financial needs. These days, technology has really revolutionized people's way of life, including their financial life. Back in the day, most people used a pen and paper to document their earnings, spending, and finances. What is personal finance software? Home finance software refers to a financial tool that enables you to prepare a budget, track your expenses, and check your overall finances. These days, there is no valid reason why you should be disorganized and mired in debt because there are many good personal finance programs that you can use to keep track of your money, plan your future, and completely control your finances. If you have a PC or laptop, you are lucky because you can easily find good home finance software at little cost. Application programmers have now catered for the high demand for these applications as they now come with all sorts of functions and capabilities that can save your money, time, and effort. Analysis. You can now analyze your finances unaided. However, this kind of analysis can be much easier if you have some accounting background. Finance software will analyze your important financial details. Details such as your monthly expenses will stick out. Many personal finance applications also allow personalization. If there is one particular aspect you want to know about your finances, you can simply create a specialized analysis. Many personal finance programs can also give you a monthly analysis, an excellent way to see how you actually spend your money on a monthly basis. Budget creation. We all know the importance of a personal budget. But creating a real budget that you'll stick to is easier said than done. You can find a personal finance application that creates a realistic budget for you. Simply enter your basic information into the software and quickly create a simple budget. Checkbook balances and bill payments. Sometimes you'll fail to pay bills on time. When it happens, interest rates are more than likely to shoot up. Fortunately, you can avoid this mistake once and for all. Look for a personal finance application that'll remind you when to pay your bills. Likewise, you can accomplish balancing your checkbook by just ticking a box. Sum up any amounts withdrawn from your account and check carefully anything that seems suspicious. Once you have everything on record, it becomes much easier to know how your finances are faring. Trust yourself and no one else. When it comes to finances, it is best to keep track of all you have carefully. You may trust your finances with your financial advisor, but it is still important to know where every cent is at, always. With a personal finance application, your money will never be far away from you. Whether you are paying bills, balancing your checkbook, tracking your paycheck, or creating a personal budget, you should not live without personal finance software. 3. Inventory financing. Inventory financing pertains to a loan secured by the inventory of your business. This financial solution enables import companies to hold more stock without cash flow strain and to produce more sales. Most of the time, inventory finance is part of a purchase order and accounts receivable financing commercial finance package. The three types of import financing solutions stated above can enable your business to increase its purchasing capabilities dramatically. With these options, you can accept larger orders and grow your business exponentially.